Yo guys, in today's video I will show you how to curve text in Adobe InDesign. Use the line tool to create straight line. Select the line and press P for the pen tool. Add anchor points and adjust handles to create curved path. Press T for the type tool or Shift plus T for type and pad tool. Click at the beginning of the pad and start typing. Select the text, go to paragraph options and center align the text. Use the direction selection tool to adjust the in and out points of type on pad to fit the curve. Copy and paste format text into the curve text box. Adjust the font size and other formatting as needed. Use direct selection tool to select anchor points and adjust the curve with arrows key. Select the pad and set the stroke weight to 0 to remove stroke. Go to Type and Pad options. Review and make final adjustment to the curve text. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.